Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is Driaa'Alexandriaa. Y'all can see.
Now I see it's turning into my reality. I built it from the ground organically. Now I'm hearing my name all through these streets. All these people with bigger names, they approach me. Get a rush through my veins when they repost me. You see it's motivation to keep going.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is Driaa'Alexandriaa, and we're back with another video. Y'all know. Yeah. Yeah. Wally. So, woo. Yeah. God, that was it. No, look at my pose weed. But y'all don't even think I got no more glue.
Well, you better spray some on there.
I gotta clean my forehead, y'all know. Oh yeah. Yeah, my man came to see me. My man. Cause girl, we is so happy. Look.
It's giving forced.
It's giving trying to please the public.
No, there would be never mind. I'm gonna record my video before I go get my baby. At least one more.
Girl, that wig is cute on you. It's the braces for me.
So that's what I'm finna do.
Well, oh shit. Girl, but you look like some of my edges came out.
Mine did, but I don't care. That's what they make these wigs for.
Period. That's what they make these wigs for. My man. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Driaa'Alexandriaa. Y'all can see. So, yeah, when I tell y'all, hold on. Oh. Eat healthy, guys. Eat healthy. Hold on, I gotta get my thumbnail. First of all, we gotta get this shit out my ears. Cause don't nobody want no goky ass. Right here, and I'm gonna record on my other phone because I actually don't like how this camera looks, so I'll be back. Ghetto, but guess what? It's gonna get the job done. Yeah, I'm not no professional, but I do enough. So you feel me? And the only reason why I go there for there like that, you never fucking know. Never. So this the wig. This wig gonna do the smallest fucking hook. Because I do not want my wig coming back up. So they might be too tight, but it might be just right. So, for one, I actually like my fucking wigs to be air toed. So I'm gonna do 2 layers. So yeah, I got the motherfucking wig on. that I'm looking for, and then I'll be back. So welcome back, guys. So I just finished doing my hair.
Do some real slight.
Don't mind this part, cause I just realized my parts is crooked. But thank you guys for watching this video. That was, I want to say that was my 3rd install I did on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button coming down below what videos you want to check out. And don't forget to turn that post notification bell on for you can see every time I post. And y'all already know Drew. If you back, love you, DA gang. Bye.
It started off as a dream. Now I see it's turning into my reality. I built it from the ground organically.